Hello and welcome back to Greenhill Junction. It's been a while since I put a video up. Main reason for that is we got a new puppy. We got a border collie because our old one unfortunately had to get put down in January. So it took us a wee while to get over that, and we got a new one probably about 2 months ago. And anyone that's had a puppy before will appreciate that they need constant monitoring and attention, training and everything, and basically you make sure that they're not doing anything that'll hurt themselves, and also that they're not chewing their way through all our furniture. So railway time has been severely limited because the wee man needs constant supervision. But he's coming on 4 months old now, and you can at least trust him that when he's sleeping, and most of the time when he's downstairs, he's chewing his toys and not the furniture. So it means I can get back up into the railway. Just to show you that things are progressing slightly, you can see the work that I'm doing here of just starting to fill in this section. So that is hopefully going to be the subject of the next video as I'm gradually working along. But this video is just going to be a short one about Kingfisher. Now, my last video I showed you that I just got this. It's a set I've always been after. It's the Rare Bird set by Hornby. But the issue was that when it was running, although it was a smooth runner, Kingfisher would essentially oscillate from side to side, and particularly noticeable wiggling in the cab like that along this straight through the station. What I'll do is I will try and sort of put in that section of the old video whilst I'm talking just now. So I asked for any comments about how to fix it or any suggestions as to what to do with it, and a few of you recommended a chap called Double O Bill. So I'd never heard of him, and I found his YouTube channel and watched a few videos, and he's got a fantastic knowledge of basically the inner gubbins of these locos, or not just this loco, but any double O gauge loco, how to take it apart, how to diagnose faults, and how to fix them. And I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. I really recommend you check it out. Really interesting videos, and he's building a new layout too. So there's loads of interesting stuff to watch there. So I got in contact with Bill, doesn't live a million miles away from me, and told him the problem, sent him the link to the video to see what I was talking about, and he said, yeah, no problem, send it over and I will have a look at it. So sent it over to Bill, and he worked away on it, keeping me up to date all the time, and then got an email saying that's it fixed, and he posted up a video of everything he did to it. It was a really interesting video. Like I say, he's got a really good knowledge of how to take these things apart, how to diagnose faults and how to fix them. So I'll put a link to that video up in the corner. But I watched the video, and a few days later Kingfisher arrived back in the post, and he has completely solved the problem. It's not wiggling at all, which is absolutely brilliant. So basically just do some running shots now of Kingfisher going round, but in the interest of experimentation and keeping the parameters the same, it's on the same track that it was when it's wiggling. It's pulling the same carriages, the same 3 carriages that come in the back, and it's going in the same direction. So I'll show you it now that Bill's fixed it, and you'll see the fantastic difference in the running of it. The other cool thing that's happened is I have now got over 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Pretty cool to know that so many people like what I'm doing and are following what I'm doing and watching what I'm doing. And I've been getting like quite a few comments on older videos as well, as people are sort of working through the progress I've made on the layout over the years, which is awesome. So thank you everyone, old and new, who is subscribed to the channel. Like I say, it's really cool to know that the stuff I'm doing is of interest to people, and that they're enjoying seeing this layout grow and seeing the stuff that I'm doing. So we'll get some running shots of Kingfisher going round, and you'll see the difference compared to the previous video, and I will progress with the work that I'm doing just now, and hopefully get a bit of another scenery video posted up soon. Alright, so enjoy the running session of Kingfisher, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers. Right, so there we go. Like I said, short video just to show the work, or well, not my work, Bill's work on Kingfisher, and the vast improvement in its running. So, hope you enjoyed that. Also, hope you check out Bill's channel and have a look at his videos. I just want to say a huge thank you to Bill for fixing this. Regular subscribers will know how little things like a loco wiggling like it did really annoy me, really bug my happiness, as I always say. And now I am extremely happy to have this beautiful loco going round my layout. So thanks very much for watching. Leave any comments you have. Like I say, please check out Bill's channel and subscribe to it if you like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe to that too. Leave any comments you have, and I'll be back as soon as I can with a video detailing the scenic work that I'm getting onto. So thanks for watching, and speak to you all again soon. Cheers!